I'm Melissa Rosenberg, and I'm a screenwriter and television writer-producer. I'm in Texas for the Austin Film Festival and to speak on some panels about Twilight and Dexter and the film industry in general. I sort of backed into screenwriting. I did a lot of different things. I was a dancer, a musician. I was into politics and psychology. I studied a lot of different things and had many different interests. I was good at many things, but not great at any one. And I sort of discovered that screenwriting was a way to utilize every experience, good and bad, and to bring it all into one sort of cohesive career. I had not read the Twilight books before I was approached. The studio who's releasing Twilight also released my first movie, Step Up. And so the president of that company called me, several months after the Step Up release, and said, how do you feel about Teens and Vampires? And I said, I love Teens and Vampires. I'm a big fan of the genre. I'm a big fan of Joss Whedon's Buffy the Vampire Slayer. It's always been something that I have gravitated toward. And so but I had not heard of the books. And I was at a friend's house at the time, and so I got off the phone. I said, you heard of this book, Twilight? And he grabbed it off his shelf and handed it to me. That was my first indication that, that this book had a following. If I were to do the adaptation for New Moon, Edward's absence from the story is a challenge. I think I would have to find a way to keep him alive throughout the movie, because I don't think you can have, first of all, just for people who haven't read the book, if you start with Twilight the movie, and it's all about Bella's relationship with this family of vampires, and then you go to New Moon, and it's the first, 15 minutes are about Edward's relationship with this family of vampires who you've already known for a whole other movie. I don't think you can just leave them. I mean, suddenly, it's about now this family of other creatures. I think you have to be able to thread that family through and keep them alive in, hopefully some creative ways. You would figure out a way to do that. And yes. The vampire, in the movie, the vampires sparkle in the sun. And it's a great effect. I think the producers spent more time on that effect of the sparkling than almost anything else in the movie. So, and Stephanie had some very specific ideas about that. And, and when she finally saw the finished product, she said, that's it. Twilight is opening Friday, November 21st. I hope everyone goes to see it. I hope they go see it twice, 3 times, and buy the DVD.
Become a docublogger. Log on to docubloggers.org to share your opinions and story ideas, or get out your camera and create your own docublog.